Magandang araw! For today's video, nagpunta naman kami sa Moreleta Park Nature Reserve. Dito naman may hiking trail, konting lakad-lakad, then sightseeing, saka to be freed na rin sa ingay ng city. Anyway, may mga hayop, mga like wild animals kaming nakita, pero medyo konti lang since for public naman to, so hindi naman siya dangerous. And luckily, wala naman ding ahas. So ayan, yung una naming nakitang hayop is ostrich. Pero sabi ni Elijah, flamingo daw yan. Mukha nga namang flamingo. So itong nature park, mga 10 minutes away from our house, so hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. And ang kagandahan, libre lang to. Walang bayad. May restaurant din dito kung saan pwede kayo mag-lunch. Then open naman siya maghapon. Tapos may playground din for the kids. And yung trail, hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Siguro mga 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Ayan, may naspatan na kaming mga hayop. So tawag dyan is bok or bak. Pero para lang yung goat sa Pilipinas o kambing. Iba lang siya. Medyo wild animal lang siya. So ayan, mag-start na kami mag-walk sa trail. Enjoy watching this video! Say hello everyone! We are in Moreleta Park Nature Reserve. Hello.
Has it got two jungle monkeys here?
Oh yeah, we have a monkey here.
Two jungle monkeys.
Elijah monkey and Avery monkey. Are you a monkey, Avery?
No.
No, okay.
I'm a monkey too.
It's good to walk even though it's hot. It's also windy.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Where are we going to go there?
Toilets.
Yeah, toilet?
We're gonna walk on a trail. Look at these. Real South Africa. Yay!
Now we're in South Africa?
No, we are in South Africa.
Say this, my love. Any boss,
Any bos?
lekker,
Lekker
boerenkos.
burakos.
Ja.
Any bos? Lekker burakos.
Ja.
Where is Elijah and Abraham and Tatay?
Ah!
Peekaboo! Okay, I'll take photo of you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, 1, 2, 3, say cheese! Turtle.
Got on camera?
Ay, so cute. Look at the turtle. Look at the turtle, Avery.
He's going slowly.
Hi, turtle.
Hi.
Oh, he's hiding. Don't be afraid, turtle.
Hi, turtle. Hi.
Oh, that is so cute.
He's going slowly.
Did you see this turtle?
He's going slowly.
Oh, wow. Touch him, Elijah.
But I think I'm going to put my hat there.
Okay, put your hat. Oh, you love turtle.
Turtle is such a hot.
Love the turtle. Oh, you love the turtle.
Yes.
Okay, bye turtle.
Bye.
Okay.
So it's best to wear. There's even big ones on the floor, like this and like this. And if you step on it, you'll bleed. You'll go inside your feet, like deep inside. So when you're outside, wear shoes, okay?
Oh.
Don't forget, because if you stand on that, so you believe me, it's sharp.
Yes, I don't like it.
Look, what is that?
So there, Abby's favorite now.
Look, baby boy. It's the friend of the other turtle.
Yeah, that's not ours.
No. We're just visiting.
Bye turtle.
Bye.
You're under these rocks, Maganda. Look, Elijah. Good job. Good job. Overhand. Don't forget to overhand.
Did I tell you to make a But there could be dinosaurs or some bears.
Dinosaurs? Dinosaurs will be awesome.
Abby, come.
Now can't wait on Jesus.
Yes. Let's pray.
Can Jesus,
Lord Jesus,
please help us.
please help us.
No, you tell me. We are lost.
We are lost.
We are lost. Please help us know to go back to the zoo.
So we can find our way, Lord.
So we can find a way, Lord.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. What is that?
It's a river.
Oh, Tatay is there. Let's go. Ayan, natapos din ang aming walking trail. Nakakatuwa at lahat kami kahit pagod at medyo mainit, nag-enjoy naman kami, especially yung mga kids. Kaya kayo dyan, visit na kayo sa South Africa. Maraming bagay na pwedeng gawin dito na talagang mag-enjoy kayo, especially nature. Thank you again for watching. Just like and share this video. God bless. Bye-bye!